This story is all about the wise decision. A tired Mr. Rabbit found the tree hollow to rust. Along came Miss Birdy and said, "Out, this is my nest." Off went the two to end the combat, to none other than the cunning cat. "Can you come closer? I can't hear you," said the sly cat, ready to bite the chew. Luckily, the two did quickly realize that to make peace and end the fight is really wise. Moral of the story: solve the problem among for the better understanding. Keywords from story: hollow, having a hole or empty space inside. Combat, the act of fighting any contest or struggle. Cunning, the quality or skill of being clever at planning something. Slay, clever at hiding one's goals or purpose. Realize, become fully aware of something as a fact, understand clearly. Opposites from story: found, lost, rest, race, end, began, come, go, close, open, quick, slow. Thank you for watching. If you like the story, please like and subscribe. We'll meet you again with another story.